In this video, I'm going to show you a new great way to make money online and see how many people are making a lot of money with this method. If you see this one, Power Digital Design, he's made $66,000. Look at this store, a store by Emily, who's made almost $300,000. And also we have another one here who's made around $300,000 as well. So this method actually is not very difficult and you can do it without actually doing the design yourself. In this method, we are going to sell digital products for mugs. There are a lot of people who are looking to make mugs and just sell them, and they need great designs on their mugs. So what we are going to do is to create a lot of great designs that they can buy from us as a digital product, and we can make money with that. To show you some examples of how many people are making a lot of money with this method. So let's go to the tool which is called Alora. It's a tool that pulls data from Etsy stores and shows their earnings. For example, I go to this here Short to Shop Studio, which is actually selling designs just for mugs. You know, it's just not selling for anything, just the designs for mugs, you know. And as you can see, he's just had like 66,000 sales and the revenue has been around 300K. And I think that's really amazing with the conversion rate of 9. So this is one store, and there is another store here like this one that is actually making $66,000, you know, who's made $66,000 with this amount of sales. So this shows us that there is a high demand for this, and if you start now, you can make a lot of money with that. And the good thing is we don't have any physical products here. So what we need to do is just to ask AI to create lots of beautiful designs for us, but not just a few, a lot of designs that we can put in our shop, on our Etsy shop, so that people can easily download it and use it without waiting for a physical product to be delivered to them. So now let's go to AI and ask it to help us with the designs, and I'll show you how we can do that using great AI tools. I have already created some AI prompts we can use to create these kind of great images. For example, if you look at the file I created that you can easily download from the description here. So in this file, we can see that I have created 3 prompts for best-selling mug designs. You know, this is the kind of design that's here, and I have created this prompt for you using AI. And you can see that this one as well, this kind of design, that there are a lot of daily affirmations on them. And I think they are the best-selling ones, you know, on Etsy, and you can actually easily copy these prompts and use them in the tool that I'm going to show you soon and create a lot of photos, you know. So the first tool I'm going to show you next is Leonardo AI, which is really familiar with you, and I think you can use this tool to create these beautiful images here. Oh, it has different versions here, you know. We are going just to use the free one, which gives you 150 tokens per day you can use freely. So every day it just resets for you and you can use it for free. But the issue is that with the free version, you are just able to make like 4 photos with every time you click the generate button, you know. And if you want to create like 8 photos, you know, you have to just to go and get the premium version. But if you just go with the 4 photos here, for example, I just copy and paste one of these designs here. So as you can see here, we have lots of beautiful designs for the mugs that we can actually sell them online, and people actually will download. In each one, there are lots of photos in each prompt created for you, so it makes your design creation faster with this method. So you're going just to repeat this with different prompts I have here. Keep continuing with the different designs here, and I'm just going to copy, for example, the other prompt here and actually see how it goes with that, you know. And you can just play around with that, and you can actually make a lot of beautiful designs that you can put it in your Etsy shop to sell online. And another tool we can use to make a lot of photos with only one click of a button. So we can actually go and create like 100 photos with only one click of a button. And I think it's really amazing. We can go here, for example, to this section and choose text to image, you know, section, the tools here, text to image. So after you click text to image, you can see that this page here, you can adjust the settings here for your photo. We can go like, for example, different settings, and then there is a section here that we can paste our prompt here from the file that I gave to you, and here you can choose like 4 photos and it can be done for you, and also you can choose this one, batch, which will create like 100 photos for you. And this is actually a paid version, but when you choose the batch, you go to this page here and it says you have to pay just like $10 to create just like 100 photos, and you can actually make like 200 photos or 400 photos, and you have to pay more money for that. So this is another way you can really go fast and create a lot of photos in a short time and start your Etsy shop as soon as possible. So when the people actually buy your stuff from Etsy, there should be a place that they can easily download the files and use it. And I think the best place to use is Google Drive as the storage file, where you can put all your photos in different categories, and when people buy that, you can actually share the link to download from that files. So you can go to your Google account and choose Google Drive here and go to your Google Drive. So usually the Google accounts, the free ones, give you just 15 gigabytes of data to use, which is not usually enough for a lot of photos, especially if you want to actually have lots of photos. So what I recommend to you is to change your plan to a better plan for in Google. If you go to this section, let's Google One here, and if you go to this section, it just tells you that you can change your plan for 2 months, like $50 per month, which gives you 100 gigabyte, which is pretty good. But I think that would be really enough for you to have lots of photos, and just when people are buying from you, you can easily share the link with them. Or you can have this actually option here at the bottom. You see the AI Premium. So this is going to give you like 2 terabyte of data. That's pretty good, and you can actually have a lot of things here. At the same time, you get access to the premium version of Google Gemini, which is the Google AI, which is like ChatGPT, and it's really powerful because I've personally used it. You can have access to the free Google Gemini, which is free, and we can easily use it. But this one is the advanced version, Gemini Advanced, so you can do many other things with this AI. Go ahead and like this video if you enjoyed, and I'm really happy you followed me up to here, and thanks for all the support and great comments. Until next time, take care, see you.